I'm trying dot mandala for the very first time, and this is my first attempt, and I'm not using any equipments. I'm just using markers, brushes and toothpicks. I'll be sharing the mistakes that I shouldn't have done in my first attempt, and I'll try making it once again in another video. The first mistake I did was that I should have used a mandala grid first. I should have made a mandala grid first and then started doing it, because I was just struggling with the circle. It's so windy and it's raining very heavily. Do excuse the background sounds. The second mistake I did was that I should have checked all the equipments first. It's definitely not the authentic equipments, but the ones I'm using here, that what kind of shape they will give, how big the circles will be, and all this. And the first attempt was just very bad, so I tried again, and I hope this time I'll do a little better than the one I did earlier. Let's see how it turns out. I thought of using the toothpick, but it was giving such tiny circles which were not even visible, so I just used my brush. So far it's turning out pretty, I guess. I don't know what will the end result be. I'm happy! Okay, I'm starting to spoil it. I couldn't manage to keep the circle in a proper shape and it's messing up again. I'm just gonna fill the circle with all these dots. I'm disheartened. Messing things up is in my nerves, I guess. I don't know. I messed up, but it's so therapeutic. It's so calming. I'm gonna try it again, but once I learn it properly, I'm gonna practice and make pretty dot mandalas in the future. It's so therapeutic. You should give it a try. Even if it doesn't turn out pretty, it's gonna calm your brain and you're gonna enjoy it a lot. It's like, a self-therapy. And I'm gonna try it many times now. Now I'll cut off the excess and I hope it will look pretty. I even used my compass, which I didn't mention earlier. Third lesson I took from this experiment, the first try, that I shouldn't press my equipment so hard that it even takes off all the excess paint, and we should use a thick paint, which is definitely acrylic, but I have used mixed mediums. Thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe and like to my channel if you like.